subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has launched its new mid-range phone under Nord series called OnePlus Nord N10 and Nord N10 5G. Both of this phone comes with a punch hole display that looks quite similar to the recently launched OnePlus 8T smartphone. And among these two, the OnePlus Nord N10 5G is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus Nord N10 5G features a 6.49-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate and a large 20:9 aspect ratio. The screen on the top is protected by a 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695G chipset paired with Adreno 619L GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the OnePlus Nord N10 5G supports a quad camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.05 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on Oxygen OS 10.5 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a 4300 mAh battery that supports a WrapCharge 30T technology for fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an array-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with dual stereo speakers for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163 by 74.7 by 8.95mm and it weighs around 190 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus Nord N10 5G has been priced at 329 British pounds and it will be available soon by early next month in the Europe in Midnight Ice color option. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord N10 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.